Finalize a multi-page document. So we just saved our assignment that is now 8 pages. And what we're going to do is open the support file that you saved so that it's available. Once you have that one open, and this is 2 pages, we'll switch back, so you can click View and switch windows, and we'll go back to our final. And you can use the word in the taskbar to go back and forth, but they just wanted to show you the new way to do it in switch windows and view. And then we'll go back to so we'll switch back to the 2-page one, and we'll do Control A, which selects both pages, and copy, Control C, and then we'll go back to our final document, and we'll go back to 1 page at 100%, and we're going to go to page 5, and I'm going to make sure your show hide is available. So we're going to go to the bottom of page 5. We're actually on page 7, which is the numbered page 5, because of the 2 table of contents and table of figures takes up 2 pages. So we're on the actual report part of it, which is page 5, and underneath the pie chart, click to the left of the section break, and that's when you'll do the Control V to paste those 2 pages that you borrowed from the other document. And then we should have page 7 at the bottom, which is excellent. Our index is on the last. Control Home, so you go back to the table of contents, and we'll click Update Table, because we made some changes. We added more to this, and Update Entire Table, and OK. And we'll see that underneath the summary is a whole new section. So the summary was that pie chart, and these are the 2 pages that we just added. So we'll click the Reference tab and then select Table of Contents over on the far left, and we're going to Custom Table of Contents, and we're going to click Options. And in here, because we have almost 2 reports in one, we need to highlight the difference between the 2. So how we'll do that is we'll select over where it says Table of Contents Level. You'll change the heading 1 to 2, change the heading 2 to 3, and then heading level 3 to 4. And then scroll down to Title and type 1. Then click OK, OK, and Yes. So what you'll see here is the title of the report is now a heading, and then the new title for the new pages that we just added is also separating the 2 pages. So this was added right here, the title of the table of contents. So there's 2, the first section and then the second section. So this wasn't there before, now we just added that. So let's make sure we are at 100%. So make sure you're on the table of contents page, and you're going to select from the title, Job Seeker, and you're going to go all the way, it's a darker shading if you can see it, Summary to the 5. So it's a darker shading. And then you will choose the Home tab, and we're going to click the line and paragraph spacing, and then we'll remove space before paragraph. And then we'll select the paragraph group launcher, and then we'll go into tabs and we'll type 5.5, and we'll click for the leader 3, which are dashes, and then set and OK. So we change the margins. And then we'll scroll up and click the table of contents and choose Update Table. And this time we'll select Update Page Numbers Only and click OK. And then at the bottom under Summary, in the table of contents, select the second half all the way up to Summary, and then again go into the line spacing and choose Remove Space Before, and then go into the paragraph dialog box launcher and go to tabs, and it's 5.5, select 3, set and OK. And then at the bottom of Summary there is a extra enter, and you'll press delete so that page break moves up there. And then Table of Figures is on the next page. And this is still page I. And then click View and Multiple Pages. And then on the Table of Figures, if we right click, we can choose Update Field. And we can choose Entire Table OK. And do the same thing on the index, which is now on page. It's on page 10 now. And again, right click and Update Field. So all the pages are now accurate for the index and for the table of figures. Then go to Zoom and then choose Many Pages, and then select 2x5. So if you follow this, you'll see 1, 2x5. Click Zoom, choose Many Pages, and if you click underneath, you'll have more options. The book wants 2x4, but I only have 2x5, but I only have 2x4, so that's okay. And then click OK. And then it shows 4 on each row, and we have 10 pages, so that's fine. They originally wanted you to have 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom, and it goes across the pages, so that's I1, I2, and then the first page, and so forth. This is a save and submit.